Oh my god. Alright, what's up guys? So I want to give another Camaro update. So this is pretty much all the work I've done since like spring break this past week. So coming back here, pretty much got the interior stripped out, no dash, no steering column, no nothing. Then the biggest thing I've done is put my engine in. I cut the cowl. That's pretty standard for these cars. I think I'll actually have to cut it in here more because as you can see my intake plenum, the carburetor is centered, which a lot of people are they've been asking me why I've been carbureting this LS engine since it's so new, but you can see the intake runner goes in the valve, out the exhaust. It's all in line, and there's something to be said about cross flow designs. It's pretty cool. I got the headers all mocked up, look good. But what I was saying about the carburetor, actually I need to find a better spot to keep this. But you can see there's the rear float bowl, front float bowl, and then the fuel log on this side. And this has to come on and off for tuning so I can get the metering block and change out jets and idle circuits and stuff. But for this week, I plan on getting the master cylinder. I got rid of the power brake booster, so it's going to be manual brakes because I'm not sure the camshaft in there will make enough vacuum to operate the brakes. Alternator, I was going to run a carb spacer, but pretty much the carburetor will be into the glass, so we'll see how that goes. I also got a kit for a roll cage, so I guess I'll show you that now. Roll cage hoops and box of random pipes. Now, since I'm putting a cage and a unibody car, basically I have to weld in these plates and then mount the bars to that, since there's no like frame rail I can tie into, which is fine. I pretty much have to just weld these to the floor, and then those are going to be my mounting points. Since I'm trying to get this, I'll be going in the 999 or faster class. So basically in the quarter, 135 miles per hour or faster, or running ET 999 or faster. So I need this cage. This is mild steel, and that's probably what I'm gonna do this week. I'll probably go more in depth into that on how to do that, since when I was looking for it I couldn't really find very many sources. So I'll pretty much be TIG welding all that, and it'll add about 60 to 80 pounds to the car. Nothing too crazy, but it'll be worth it. Gets me certified, and then I have to have it tech inspected from a NHRA official, and should be good to go. See you guys.